I must mention an alternate approach to requirements modeling that is fast catching on today. This is called object modeling. As an object modeler, I would look at each object in the business domain, like for example, this book in the library domain, and ask, what could this book tell me if only it could talk to me? Well, it would tell me how it was reserved, how it was issued, how it was returned. It would also be able to tell me how it was mutilated or when it was removed from the library. These are, of course, the elements of processing that have directly to do with the book. However, the focus is now on creating a single piece of documentation that describes not only the attributes of each object like this book, but also its related processing. There is, however, one aspect of this book which even the most sophisticated software technology cannot capture for me, and that is the incredible smell of a freshly printed book.